Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the Subaru Crosstrek. Now, a lot of you people who have them are always looking for more power. How can I get more power out of this car? Because it is definitely underpowered. Well, today we got a little device we're going to install called an Eco-Block from Crawford Performance. We're going to install that on a 2017 Crosstrek and see what it does. So the car we're going to use today is a Subaru Crosstrek, a 2017. I've got two of them. The red one here is an automatic. Really nothing done to it. And the white one is a 2017. Basically the same thing, except it's a manual, and I've kind of made it look like a rally car. So we're going to try out this Eco-Block and see if it helps out the performance. So this little Eco-Block basically comes with a little spacer and a couple screws. Looks like it has a little O-ring attached inside. And it's basically supposed to give you 8% increase in horsepower and up to 8% increase in fuel efficiency. Basically by tricking the mass airflow sensor that it is receiving more cold air. So we're gonna hook this up and see what happens. All right, now we're looking at a picture here of my stock 2017 Subaru engine. There is the airflow sensor that we are going to remove and add this Eco-Block spacer. Let's get started. Well, there you go. Looks like the Eco-Block is installed. Let's start it up, see what happens. Doesn't look like we have any check engine lights. That's a good thing. So I guess we'll give it a couple weeks, month, and check it out and see what our results are. We're about 2 months later. This is the review on the Crawford Eco-Block and on my 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. So where do we stand? Well, 8% horsepower increase and a 8% increase in fuel economy. At least that's what they're saying. I don't really see it, but it's hard to tell on 8% for horsepower. We've not run a dyno, so I have no exact idea. I mean, it doesn't feel any peppier, but that's hard to tell without running a dyno. As far as the increase in fuel economy, I think there is. With my roof rack and my lights, I don't get very good gas mileage anyways. I mean, it's definitely lower than stock. So I think I'm getting back up to that range of what I was stock with those on there. And for $49, which is pretty much what this product cost, I think it's well worth the effort to at least increase your fuel economy and possibly give you a slight increase in horsepower. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below and check out any of my other videos. Hopefully I'll get some more posted soon. Thanks for watching.